In this video, I'd like to talk about the main file management tools in Solid Edge. Solid Edge has surprisingly sophisticated file management tools that can be used without getting involved in full-blown PDM or PLM applications. There are three main places where you'll want to look for data management tools. First is the Data Management tab, second is the Pathfinder, and third is the Solid Edge Options. The Data Management tab can show you the status of documents, get the latest versions, search for models based on shape. You can find where documents have been referenced if you search in a particular directory. There's a list of Save As options. One that I'd like to talk about here is Save for Tablet, which will save a format SEV. SEV stands for Solid Edge Viewer. SEV files can be read by JT2Go, and JT2Go is like eDrawings for Solid Edge. JT2Go will also read Solid Edge files directly. Back on the Data Management tab, you can use Checkout and Check-in operations, view and alter the file properties, and even edit links for assemblies or drawings that have lost references. The main tool that you will use for Solid Edge data management is the Design Manager. Design Manager will allow you to see the full bill of materials for an assembly, as well as all of the paths for open documents. You can see whether the parts have been changed or not in the most recent session, the size of the file, the document number if available, title, status, save date, comments, and the user who last saved it. The Design Manager in particular makes it easy to rename parts, replace parts, to pack and go an entire assembly, write reports, find duplicates, find where used, and other types of functions. The second place where you'll want to look for data management tools in Solid Edge is the Pathfinder itself. The right mouse button gives you many options. If you're using some of the more advanced functions, the Manage functionality gives you check-in, check-out, as well as connections to Team Center. If you have that installed, you can also shift between simplified and as designed parts and assemblies and rename the parts. This rename tool will only rename the entry in the Pathfinder. It will not rename the actual file. The final place where you'll want to look for file management information is in Solid Edge Options. The Manage page in particular will allow you to enable the Solid Edge data management environment, and you can set up a vault, custom properties, automatic document naming, lifecycle workflow, and identify a document controller account, establishing revisions, setting up the file locations for various files that Solid Edge needs to use, and establishing a formula for creating automatic document names. Solid Edge has many built-in tools for file management that warrant a closer look. Thanks for watching.